Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my black satin hair scrunchies.
These have been my go-to scrunchies. I chose these scrunchies because of its satin finish. I know that when I put scrunchies in my hair that are made of cotton or that have these metal or aluminum pieces on them, that it either snags on my hair or it creates breakage on my hair. And I'm into growing my hair out, so I love these satin scrunchies because they are not harsh on my hair. I love that they come in two different sizes. So one of them is big and the other one is kind of a thinner scrunchie. So you can wear either one for any occasion. I also love that they are super stretchy, so they're able to adjust to either thin or thick hair. And I love how gentle they are on my hair.
And that's my point of view.